Hello, everyone. I'm Maria. I'm the marketing manager of Little Scientist. And today we are interviewing Scilla. She's our CEO and founder of Little Scientist. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, Maria, and thank you for this interview. My name is Scilla. I'm the founder and manager director of Little Scientist. I am mother of 3 children, and I'm a scientist for background. I have a degree in chemistry and in material science and a doctorate in physics. And I found Little Scientist now quite a long time ago in 2019.
Scilla, can you tell us what is the core mission and vision of Little Scientist, please?
Yes, so Little Scientist mission is to bring more science in public schools in Switzerland and abroad. We want to make science not a privilege for some kids, but an opportunities for all. So we have different projects for teachers and students, but also working with parents and families and companies around Canton Zurich.
How do you design your curriculum to make STEM activities engaging and fun for kids?
So all the activities Little Scientists have so far developed are made with the idea that children have to make and explore science from all the different branches. So we use Lego, robotics, science experiment, programming with microbit, where they can create little robots and then program them themselves. So the kids learn in a fun, engaging way without knowing how important is what they at the moment they learned.
Scilla, tell me, what challenges do you face in running Little Scientist?
The main challenges for sure are financial. We are still a small verein, a small entity in Canton Zurich in Switzerland, and we found very difficult to have the attention of a big foundation and association and then from high-tech company. So far we have been lucky because we have been supported by different companies from different backgrounds, and now the challenge is to become bigger, apply for grants, and have the team grow.
And how do you address inclusivity and accessibility?
Little Scientist's mission is to make science available. So we are working on a big project which is called Mint Kids Schule, which will offer free to download and use activities for teachers and the students in all Switzerland and abroad. This will believe the school is the perfect environment to involve children from any background or any race or any gender in science and any related STEM activity.
Do you collaborate with other schools, companies, organizations?
Yes, we have a partnership with other organizations in outside Switzerland and in Switzerland, especially in the UK. We have a partnership with a local school in Oberrieden, which work with us now for a year. And they help us to test all our activities before they are uploaded on our open source platform. And we also collaborate with companies when we offer workshop for children in need, in which the company can show the potential career path inside the company.
And what are your plans for the future of Little Scientists in the next 5 or 10 years?
The main plan is to make the Mint Kids Schule project to grow, to have more schools around Switzerland and outside Switzerland to be involved with our platform. So more children will have the opportunity to be face high quality STEM education inside the classes. And to achieve this big step, we are planning to grow as a team, so have more impact on the future of our children.
And what advice would you give to parents and young learners about STEM?
For the parents, I would like to say STEM is going to become, and technology are going to become the most important subject for your kids for their future careers. Technologies and AI, they're going to become have a more impact on our society in the next few years. So I will ask parents to look around and see what activities your community offers. For children and for teenagers especially, don't be afraid. Scientist is an amazing word to be involved with. You can know people all around the world that will speak your same language, which is the language of science, and you will discover an amazing, fascinating world.
Do you offer any programs or resources for teachers and schools?
Yes, we have a very big project, as I already said, it's called Mint Kids Schule. The project aims to create a platform, an open source platform for teaching and the students. We collaborate with Infosys, and we are going to create a lot of courses, lessons, module, links, videos for the teachers to use. And with using STEM for explain different branches of science. Everything will be used free of charge. So the only things the teacher has to do is to log in a platform, and then they can download all our materials. In this way, we want to make teacher more confident in teaching STEM without adding any more work on their side.
Thank you very much, Scilla, for your time.
Thank you.
And for more content about STEM education, you can follow us on our channels in YouTube, on social media, on our website, littlescientist.ch.
Thank you. Bye-bye.